Hey there everyone, you want to make your VTuber look truly unique? You want your model to stand out in the crowd? Good news for you, because in this video I'll show you how to customize your outfit's graphics in Vroid Studios. Welcome to the Digital Paul Workshop. It is I, the endless wardrobe malfunction that never fails to embarrass, Techno Meow Tinkerer. And without any further ado, let's log on in. So now that we got Vroid Studios open up, let's get on in. Let's just go ahead and create a default character. Doesn't matter which one we're using, because the same process works for both. While we're waiting for that to upload. Now I want to come over here to outfits. Now you can choose from different outfits. I'm not going to go through all the different ones. I'm just going to click on one of these. It doesn't matter which one so much as mainly I want to click the one I want to work on, but you can kind of go into it and do all of them long as you got some clothing. Now if I didn't have this shirt, so if I was to come up here and click this and remove that, so now you see I don't have an edit feature, so I could come here and I could click edit textures right and right, but I'm not going to be able to do nothing with a shirt because I have not have a shirt selected. So you need to make sure that if you're going to add any type of graphics or any type of design, that you have the clothing on your avatar before you click this edit texture. So right here, top right, edit texture, I'm clicking it. Come on, there we go. So you see it brings up this little template here. Now you can do it a couple different ways. I can go in and say, like, if I want to pick a color, I can go in and start coloring. Now as you see right there, it draws off. Now I can also draw on this side too, and which is will pretty much for the most part, except for the edges you don't see, so you have to probably move this guy around here and do it this way. But I don't want to do it that. I want to add my own image to this. So what I would do is I want to come over here to where it says default design, the one we're on. I want to right click. I want to go to export, and then I've already got my folders set up where I want to save it as, and I'm going to save it. Now what I'm going to do next is bring up my photo editing program. I use Krita, or whatever one you want to use, you can. I want to click and drag it on over. You could open it anyway. Now you see I got these where I can use my as templates, and of course you can use your marquee tool to highlight. Then for me it becomes select inverse selection, so now I can draw if I want to. Get my brush, get a nice good size. So now if I want to draw, I can stay within my lines. But I don't want to do none of that. I want to actually bring in an image. And so let me go to my assets folder. I'm going to keep all my stuff from my channel. And I'm going to drag in my old pixelated one, my pixelated 8-bit self based on Mega Man that I did for a Krita video. Frame. I'm going to highlight and delete the white background. Get rid of my marquee. I'm going to now transform it. And so I'm going to reduce its size. And let's see, let's get you something probably about right there. That size, about that position. Okay, now I'm just going to, oops, wrong one. I need that. Go ahead and flatten everything as one image. Save it. Go back to Vroid Studios, and now I'll right click, import what I just did, and boom, now my avatar has a picture of 8-bit me on it. And so now this is basically how you can go through and design your clothing. So I can go in here, export that out. Now for me, I would want something. Let's just see what this is going to look like. It's going to export you out. Do a test. Oh, no, did I hit import? Or did I hit export? I thought I hit export. Export. Okay. I'm going to do layer 2. I might have hit import by accident. So let's see what it looks like if I import. Let me go back to that folder. because I haven't tried it with darker images. I've only tried it with light images. Let's see what it looks like if I import it in. Yeah, so this is going to be the issue, is right there. I would not want it that way. So you might have to play through and go through some of your different features to see if you can find. Now you can probably come in here and color it. Let me see if I come in and color it. Get a white. And just start working myself around. You might can do it this way. Go ahead and bring the brush on up larger so I can not spend so much time here. Oh, so this actually can let me go down even further. So there we go. Shift and dash. No, so I can actually give myself long pants if I wanted to. Interesting. Gonna delete all that. Let me go ahead and X out. Now when you X out here, this is where you want to save it or not. I'm not going to save the bottoms. I'm just going to overwrite. So it's going to be saved as a new item. Come on, there you go. And boom, as you can see right here, it's got the shirt design. That's the shirt design I'm using right now. But it's now saved my 8-bit self as another shirt design. I thought there was a way I can do my legs. Let me see if I can delete those. I don't want those. Delete. Go back over here to this thing. And see, I would want to probably use something, click on something like that if I'm going to do pants or something where I can do. But I wonder why when I click here, if I click edit, edit without saving. You see, I don't like that. I don't like the fact that it's got that dark. I wish it was clear, because that comes with an issue with editing. Exit. Close without saving. I don't need to save nothing. It done nothing. So yeah, I would pick something. Let's see how it does on one of the colors. And let's see. Start editing without saving. Yeah, it's going to keep asking me that. Okay, so I would pick something like this, where I got this transparency going on, and edit that. Looks like this has a streak on the side. Let's see, there we go. Yeah, it does have a streak, so that's good. So yeah, I would recommend for the pants, finding something that has like a clear transparent background, so it'll be a lot easier when you go to edit in your whatever photo editing program you want to use. And that's just a quick, easy way on how to customize your outfits a bit in Vroid Studio, so you can create your own unique Vroid model. And if you like my content, you can go to these websites right here to support me in different ways, as well as like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone you think might be interested. And if you're looking to want to add objects, like I added my tail, my visor, and my arm gauntlets, you can check out my video on Vroid Studio to VC Face, a Blender tutorial, where I show you how you can import your VRM into Blender so you can add other decor to your character. Have a nice day.